In this edition of the Jotun Powder Coatings case studies, the Jotun team takes on the challenges of complex coating processes for Herman Miller. This is Project Herman Miller. The Czech Republic. With over 10 million people, the country has a high-income, export-oriented market economy that is based in services, manufacturing and innovation. Around 86 kilometers north of its capital Prague lies the town of Třemiší, home to the Czech factory operations of Jotun and also the base of operations servicing one of their key clients. Herman Miller. Started in early 1900s in Michigan, USA, globally renowned furniture manufacturer Herman Miller expanded its operations to the UK in 1970. For over 100 years, Herman Miller has relied on innovative design to solve problems for people wherever they work, live, learn and heal. By the middle of the 20th century, the name Herman Miller had become synonymous with modern furniture.
Here at Herman Miller, we like to work with our customers to create different ways of putting together colours and textures, and we even go so far as having bespoke paint colours.
In the UK, we have over 230 employees, and we work very closely with our Czech team, which has a further 125 employees. Between us, we can create fantastic products for our customers. We started working with Herman Miller in 2016. And they weren't too familiar with Jotun nor our extensive product range. During the early stages of the relationship building, it was clear that our businesses were very similar and actually our values were identical, creating the perfect fit.
So what was it that convinced Herman Miller that Jotun could give them what they were looking for?
We wanted a very high quality powder paint supplier that was able to supply cutting-edge technologies into our market. We wanted to find a technologically advanced, quality-focused supplier to supply Herman Miller powder paints. We wanted them to be able to supply us with cutting-edge solutions and offer excellent customer service.
During the early days, Herman Miller worked completely aware of what's possible with powder. So through various workshops, working closely with their CMF team, and by listening to them closely, we could develop great products for their current needs and also future ones.
Mobilizing a dream team comprising sales, marketing, technical service and lab, this strategy has created numerous success stories for Jotun, and this was no exception.
When the team debriefed us on the Herman Miller project, the challenges they faced and the findings they made during evaluation, it was pretty clear that our Imagination collection would be their win and ours. We conducted multiple trials over a period of time to make sure all variations were taken into consideration. We always take special care with testing to ensure the final product is exactly what the customer needs.
We found Jotun had an impressive team. It wasn't just sales or client focused, but they supported us in every aspect of our choice to move to Jotun for powder coat. Jotun supported us with all our powder coat suppliers by providing powder coat schools, and they also provided excellent expertise knowledge to be able to reformulate our powder coats to make them the most efficient possible. Jotun had a strong focus on how Herman Miller could improve its processes. And as a result of this, Herman Miller has seen great benefits from working with Jotun. With these results, we should be working with Jotun for many years to come.
Working with Herman Miller has been really rewarding. They're a great company to work with their designs being in museum collections worldwide, so we had a lot to live up to. Bringing the commercial teams, the technical teams and the R&D teams together, pinpointing solutions so that we could provide Herman Miller with great quality products on time and in full.
Our approach provides customers innovative solutions to make them more efficient and brings value to the partnership.